Today I'm going to show you how to create different calendars in Motion. So adding a calendar, as you can see over here, this is our calendar. Adding a calendar is very easy. So there are a few different things that you can do here. So first of all, we're going to go up to our little profile picture, click on this, go down, click on settings, and here you will see on the left under general calendars. From here you can click on add account. Okay, so this currently is our main calendar. You can see over here that within this Google Calendar we have 4 different calendars in here, and you can click on these 3 dots, you can remove them, you can change. If you click on edit over here, you can change how it's actually displayed. So what we want to do is click on add account, and here you can add a Google Calendar, an Outlook calendar, and an iCloud calendar. So whichever one you choose to go ahead and do, click on the appropriate one. I'm going to use a Google Calendar. Once you've clicked on that, it'll ask you for permissions for Motion to actually connect to the calendar and be able to speak to each other. I'm going to go ahead, connect this calendar over here, and from here you can just say continue. This window will close within a few seconds. You now have to select what Motion can actually access. Okay, so it depends on exactly what it is that you'd like to have access here, but I'm just going to select all and click on continue. Now that's done. It says here you need to set up the calendar, so click on next. Here you can keep this calendar as your main calendar, or you can set your new calendar as your default calendar. They are now both in here. You can change this right over here again, and here are all the calendars within. So if you go now again back and into calendar, you'll be able to see your calendars right over here. So this basically means that both of the calendars are being viewed right now. You can see here that there are different viewing options, booking links. You can refresh all your tasks. You can view it in different views, days or weeks. And then there's a little side option that you can open up over here, and you can actually view each one of these calendars individually. So for example, if you click over here, you can change the color. You can see that there are 2 different accounts over here. So whichever one you go and select, that'll be the one that is being displayed.